What's good, guys? Let's talk a little Ethereum. All right, so what is going on with Ethereum? Guys, this project is going to run and drag up, kick off the altcoin season so hard it's going to make you want to pick up the phone and call your mama. I'm telling you right now, man. Uh, Guys, 38 at the time of recording, $3,849, 14, basically 15 billion in trading volume, guys. She's looking good, up 2.6% on the day, 25.5 on the week. Pretty good, guys. Pretty good. ETH is going to melt some faces, man. Some faces. I'm telling you right now. Let's get into it a little bit, guys. It's going to kick off altcoin season. Like I said, what's behind Ethereum's bull run? Whales, ETF approval, and let's see. Analysts reveal that before the Ethereum ETF was approved, a particular whale address made bold moves by acquiring more Ethereum at the specific price level. As a result, this address saw significant unrealized profit. Additionally, further analysis showed a similar pattern among other whales addresses in the lead up to the ETF approval. That's because they had inside information that it was going to happen, obviously, right? An analyst by Lo- an analyst by Look on Chain, revealed that a particular whale wallet anticipated the approval of the Ethereum spot ETF and made a substantial purchase of Ethereum. The data indicates that the whale acquired 8,733 ETH at approximately 3,054,000. He bought it at $3,054. Sorry, my bad. Totaling around 26.67 million as a result. The whale wallet now holds approximately 6 million in unrealized profits. Wow. Following the approval of Form 19B-4 by the SEC, the whale proceeded to purchase other tokens within the Ethereum ecosystem, amounting to $24.7 million. Among these tokens was Lido DAO token, which represents the platform with the highest volume of Ethereum stakes. The unrealized profit for these ecosystem tokens in the wallet stand at around $1 million. AMB Crypto's analysis of Ethereum's addresses holds 10,000 or more Ethereum revealed a significant movement in recent days. According to data from Glassnode, there's been declines in the number of such addresses before a trend reversal around the 19th of May. The chart illustrated an increase in the number of addresses from around 997 to approximately 1,006 at the time of writing. Further examinations showed that the number of addresses holding 100,000 or more worth of Ethereum also experienced a notable surge. In the same period, this figure rose from around 117,500 to over 140,000 as of the current writing. AMB Crypto looked at the total Ethereum staked, indicated a brief decline followed by an uptick around the 20th of May. According to the chart, it increased to over 32.5 million Ethereum from around 32.3 million Ethereum during this period. As a press time, the total Ethereum staked stood at around 32.56 million, with a slight decline observed. Also, the current staked volume represented approximately 27.1% of the total Ethereum supply. As of press time, Ethereum was trading at approximately 37.90, reflecting an increase of over 1%. Analysis of the daily time frame chart indicated its effort to sustain the $3,700 price range since it rose to that level. The current trend suggests Ethereum's attempt to establish the 3,600 range as its support. The relative strength index showed Ethereum slightly below the overbought zone. This suggested a strong bullish trend, but it also implied the possibility of a decline, even amidst another potential bull run. So here's the thing, guys. A lot of people are projecting that Ethereum's going to have a run up this summer to around $6,400, right? I think that I disagree. I disagree. I think Ethereum's going to run significantly higher than that, guys. There are factors at play here that you have to take into consideration. One, there's no outflows. Now, somebody had asked me, okay, well, why, what are we going to do if we see the same outflows from Grayscale that we saw with Bitcoin, right? Listen, the reason that that's not going to happen, you have to understand the reason behind why Grayscale was dumping the Bitcoin ETFs, okay? They were dumping it because Genesis, they were holding Genesis's Bitcoin, right? So in their GBTC, right? So Genesis had to sell their holdings of Bitcoin to pay back their creditors. There was no choice in the matter. So they asked, well, what happens if Grayscale increases the interest rate the same as they did with the Bitcoin ETF? I don't see that happening. I think that Grayscale did that on purpose because they knew that Genesis was going to have to sell, and they wanted to make those rates. I think that's why the rates were spiked up the way that they were, because they knew that they were going to be selling, and they knew that they were going to get those trading fees, right? I don't see the same thing happening for Ethereum because they don't have that problem, right? So in saying that, guys, we're going to see minimal outflows with Ethereum and a whole crap load of inflows, right? The UK just passed the spot Ethereum and Bitcoin ETFs. We just had Hong Kong pass them as well. Both spot or both Ethereum and Bitcoin ETFs, right? We just had the US do it, guys. Like, we're going to see massive inflows. I'm telling you, probably by mid-July, guys, is when things are really going to start to go nuts, in my opinion. But let me know what you guys think. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the subscribe button. Click the join button to become a VIP member of the private community. Or join the Patreon, guys. You don't want to miss. There's a great stuff over there. A lot of content. My portfolio breakdowns over there as well. You can check that out. Click the link down below for the Patreon. Follow me on X. My handle for X is down below as well. Once again, like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one.